Howdy, adventure lovers. Today, we are teaching the kids another Indiana pastime, mowing. Now, most of my life, I mowed with something, well, a traditional riding lawnmower like this one. This one has seen better days, and we've had several of these things over the years. Some better, some worse, but it's always been what we needed to get the job done. But today, we're gonna use this one. But also my spoiled desert kids get to learn on this zero turn, which is almost not fair. It quite literally took us, I don't know, it took all week. It was all the time mowing, you know, and we had to mow slow and this, that, and the other. And supposedly, according to my dad, you can about mow everything in just a couple hours on this thing. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, not it for whoever gets which one first. You know, ready? 1, 2, 3, not it. So this one's mine. Everybody heard it. And who gets this one first, huh?
Not it. Obviously you.
All right, Princess, you're up. Are you ready for this much fun?
Sure.
Your enthusiasm is radiating. Okay. So yes, just a few things first. Under no circumstances do you put your hand anywhere near this thing. Like, you do not get off the mower with the blades running. Okay. So once we get going, this is your PTO button. You're gonna pull this out, and that starts the blade spinning. Okay. So if you were to shut it off, first thing you're gonna shut that off. If you stand up on the seat, there's a sensor there, and it'll shut off. Like, meaning if you were to, tip off a hill, tip over going down a hill, the mower will shut off automatically. So it's safe as long as you don't mess, your feet stay up there where they're safe. You understand? Okay. First thing we're gonna do is put your foot on the brake all the way in. Now the throttle there, the rabbit is fast, right? And the turtle is slow, right? And what do we like?
Fast.
I thought you liked turtles.
No.
No? Okay. So we got the throttle all the way up, and it's warmed up, so we don't need the choke, right?
All right.
Right?
Yeah, correct.
So you got your brake all the way in?
Yep.
You're gonna go ahead and start it. Okay, so you saw how I mowed around, right?
Yeah.
Can you see the difference between what's been cut and what hasn't?
Yeah.
So you want to keep this tire kind of right on the line of what's been cut and what hasn't. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So, Daren, you want to back up? Now you're going to pull the PTO to engage the blades. Nice and slow and steady, okay? Go a little faster. Oh, she's a natural. Coming up on a tight corner. Emily dives in, takes a big bite, lines it up, and she's headed home. Started speeding up through the tall grass where it's a little taller, and I told her to slow down a bit, and the look on her face, so boring. I know, I did this forever, like literally a quarter of my childhood was spent on this mower going back and forth. You're eager for your shot, aren't you?
No, I'm just watching.
Just watching?
Yep.
Now she is speeding up again through the tall grass, but we all know what that's like. the blades first, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think of that? How would you like to spend most of your Saturdays as a kid doing that?
Not doing that?
Just rather not.
Yeah. Just,
No?
You know.
Oh, come on. You guys don't know fun.
What do you mean?
What do you mean,
Call this
man?
fun? You don't know fun.
No, I do. I know
We
this
were
very
raised
well.
In the days
This is not
of
fun.
fun.
All right, so you hop up off that thing, and it is your time to be christened with
Chris?
grass stuff all over you. Yep. So hopefully you were paying attention when I gave the little spiel, right?
Yep, sure was.
So it's warmed up, so you don't need the choke. Throttle's all the way up, and put your foot on the old brakey brake all the way in. Give the key a turn. Engage no matter what. Don't put your hands anywhere down there. It chops it off. It doesn't throw back. Okay, pull that out. There, take it by. There you go. You know, I'm starting to think that my dad had us doing this so he didn't have to. No, I'm just kidding. I know that's why he had us doing it. My dad worked like 12-hour days, 7 days a week, you know, forever and ever and ever. Still is. '80s vintage video game right here, cutting grass. I mean, if you think about it, it is like Pac-Man, isn't it? You just keep, you know, gobbling it up. All right, I'm getting antsy to get on this zero turn. All right, so when go choke. That's fun. Makes it so much funner. All right, so you got to go slow on this one. This is, you know, the families worked their whole life to buy this thing, so yeah, that first, that doesn't do anything on this one. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it more throttle. No, give it more throttle first, all the way to the rabbit, right? That's the choke for starting it. You're gonna engage that way. You do have to go slower. You know, when you get into that tall grass, the mower has to work twice as hard to chew up that grass. So you just slow down and let it do its thing. Like I said, they just got this. We've worked our whole life for it. Please don't break it, or Grandpa won't let you have any frog legs.
Oh, that would be such a bummer.
Okay.
Get up breaking.
Nope, gotta turn the throttle off. I take it she's done. How was that?
Fun.
Now, if you had to compare this one to the other one, which do you... Fun? All right, boy, you're up. This kid just keeps walking slower and slower. That's the sensor.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. If you were to tip it or fall over or something, yeah, that happens. So you know what to do?
Yep.
Why he's going around another part of mowing a yard is picking up sticks. So walk around in this shady area where sticks have fallen out of the old big old tree, all that right there. And then he picked that up, and you can see the current method seems to be piling them right there. So do so, okay? You guys keep trying to get off this mower.
What do you mean?
I think you're missing the point of this. We mow until there's nothing else to mow. We wait 3 days and then we mow again. Okay, so we're not done, son. Look at the yard.
All right.
And then it was so tall, we got to do it again. Yep. Keep going, all right? Kids, huh? Trying to get out of mowing. Oh. So we're gonna let him finish up this pass, and then I am gonna hop on and go the other way, just because the grass was so tall to make it look. It'll make it look better. Plus, I secretly miss doing it, but don't let my dad know. So we're gonna end the video here, guys. Let us know. Do you guys mow where you're at? Are the lines important or not? Let us know in the comments down below, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye. So not only was I the first on the zero turn, but it's been 20 some years. And I'm just saying, look at that striping, huh? Look at those straight lines.